Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to install Discord on your PC. Discord lets us chat, voice call, and connect with communities and friends. We will walk you through how to download and install it on your computer. On the Discord website, we can find the download button right on the dashboard. Go ahead and click Download App. From here, we can choose our operating system, macOS, Linux, iOS, or Android. Since we are using Windows, we will go ahead and click Windows to start the download. Next, we can choose which folder or location we want to save the installer. Then, just click Save. As we can see, the file is now downloading. Let's wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, we need to go to our Documents folder. There, we can see the installer file. Just double-click it to open it. A prompt will appear asking whether to run the file. We will click Run to continue with the installation. The installer will now start downloading the update. Let's wait for it to finish. Once it's done, we can see Discord starting up. Just give it a moment to load. And there we go. Discord is now installed on our Windows PC. All we need to do now is log into our account, and we are ready to use it. Discord has been successfully installed on our PC. We can now start chatting, joining servers, and connecting with friends and communities.